Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to get a refund for any Steam game. Let's say you bought a game and want to return it. There are a few conditions for getting a refund. Two conditions are that you haven't played for 2 or 4 hours. If you've played a bit more, you can still return it within 14 days. It's all case by case, really. These are the minimum requirements. So even if you've played 4 hours, you might still get a refund. How do you do it? Go to Steam, click Contact Support and select the game. If it's not listed, no worries. Just type the game's name here. Let's say I want to return CS. Okay. Say I have issues with gameplay or technical problems, but I have a different problem. I want to request a refund. It doesn't matter how you got here. The main thing is to clearly state your problem. CS is free, so I can't actually get a refund. That's all there is to it. This has been Veloz. See you all later.